Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Makeup Unmatched. If you're new here, karibu sana. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new vlogging equipment. The reason behind this is to give you quality content, and just in case you've ever thought of pro filmmaking, this video might help. Before we continue, we Makeup Unmatched would like to pass our regards to Cameras Africa, where all these products were purchased from. Let me take you through what I have here. There's a wired lapel, which I prefer it because it's much cheaper than the wireless one. It goes for 1500 shillings, while the wireless one goes for around 15,000. Secondly, we have a 128 GB SanDisk memory card. When choosing this, I would advise the UHS1 model, which supports 4K videos. It goes for 5,500 shillings, while the 64 GB goes for 2,900 shillings. By the way guys, how do I look today? Comment down below. Anyway, this is a shotgun mic, which you use when shooting outside. This goes for 3,000 shillings, and you can even use it on your phone. We have a gel camera bag here. It goes for 1,500 shillings. In here, we have the Kingjoy VT 1500 tripod, which goes for 5,500 shillings. Now to the most exciting part, the Canon EOS 90D. This supports 4K and 1080p at 120 frames per second. Let's unbox this, shall we?
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
The Canon 90D is a 32.5 megapixel camera, which is worth 165,000 Kenyan shillings. Thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. God bless.
to create a song.